Hi, this is Lindsay from RecPro, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about this 7-pin trailer end connector, the product code of which is RP1536. Now this is a 7-pull plug connecting the trailer to the socket on a towing vehicle. It is made out of hard plastic material, which, prevents rust, and it looks really good. It also has 2 grips at the end, so it is easy for removal, so you don't have to yank and tug on your wires to get out. It has a safety latch so that it ensures that it will remain securely attached to the socket. The interior is shock resistant and it's non-corroding. There's also a terminal reinforcer to prevent shorting out. The center pin accepts wires up to an 8-gauge wire, and the vinyl inserts inside prevent dirt and moisture from getting in. It works with it's up to color-coded RVI standards, and it's just the plug. So, no hardware or installation tools comes with this, so this is just a plug. If you guys are interested, check out the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.